What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is ASAP Jack. I do all things hair, makeup, beauty, style, etc, etc. If you're old here, hi, how are you? You know the motherfucking drill. Alright, well, in today's video, you're probably wondering where the hell is all my hair. Well, to answer your question, my hair right here. In today's video, I will be taking you guys along step by step while I remove my hand tight extensions myself. Having the extensions has been a huge security blanket for me throughout the past couple of months while I've been trying to gain my confidence back. And I feel like I need to make myself uncomfortable again so I can grow. And one of my insecurities is my hair. So I need to rip off that blanket and be okay with my natural hair because it's just hair. So if you want to know how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm fully aware of this poor lighting, but I gotta work with what I got. So I'm going to tie up the first row. If you guys have seen my other extension videos, you know how these are installed. So now I'm going to show you how I take them out on my own. I've done this so many times, so I'm not really afraid of like damaging my hair or anything. The only thing is I usually wait a lot longer to take them out, like literally when they're barely hanging on by a thread. But I feel like I've been way too rough with them, that this piece is always like that, and I can't do like a slick bun, and I can't, like, if I wear my hair down I have to like bobby pin it. So I'm just kind of over it. It's time to turn a new leaf. So what I do is I get these little like plier things, and I feel for the metal clasp. So you guys can see, like, I do have a little bald spot there. I do have a lot of dandruff because of my extensions. I do have a lot of discoloration and pores in hair, so just ignore that. So what I do is I just mess with this, open it up. It's kind of flat, so I kind of round it out. It is a really tedious process. It's obviously a lot easier if you have help. Also, I'm in my guest bathroom because Josh is in a meeting downstairs. Okay, there. I opened it up and then I just pulled it down a little bit. And now I'm going to continue to do that to all of the little clamps. Okay, so I have pulled down 2 of the clamps. This is gonna make it really easy to just pull off and slide out. I'm gonna update you guys when I have the first row done. Okay, so here's an update. As you can see, they also do collect a lot of like dust and dandruff, and I'm just being real with you guys, showing you what's real. But for the most part, the hair is really healthy, and so is my regular hair. It's just a little bit sweaty from the gym earlier. So now I'm gonna go ahead and lower the other side and then take them all out. Okay guys, so I'm having a lot of trouble getting some of these clamps loose enough to just pull it out. So whenever that happens, the clamps, the hair is connected by the clamps, but the clamp is like sewn. There's like a piece of string sewn through the clamp, and that's what holds the hair together. So whenever that happens, I just carefully move all my hair. Well, first I find the string. See, like, I don't want to pull my hair out, so I'm gonna just find the string, which is right here. Make sure there's no little hairs in the way. And then I'm just going to cut, and that will free up. Oh, there's another string I need to cut. And that frees it up, and then I can get the clamp off easier, like so, like that. So yeah, I'm gonna, you see the string right there? I'm gonna do the same thing. Just make a tiny little snipperoonie, and then it makes it easier to pull off. So I'm almost done with the first row. It's been a lot, it's been a struggle, and you know, I'm starting to feel a little bit like maybe I shouldn't have done it yet, but you know what? I've already committed to it, so it's happening. Okay guys, I just pulled off the first row, and gosh, I did not realize how thick the extensions were, because like my hair is really thin. But if you remember my haircut from hell picture, my hair has grown so much since then, so I'm really happy about that. So now I'm gonna go through and pull out some of the clamps that are still in there, and then I'm gonna start on the next row. All right, it's literally hanging on by a thread. Literally, this is it, you guys. This is it. But I know it's gonna take me forever to undo this clamp, so I'm just gonna come back to you guys when it's all gone. Okay guys, so this is my hair now. So much lighter, so crazy to think like this is all my natural hair, and it's very much giving me Val from Brink vibes still, but it's grown out so much since the last time that I didn't have extensions, and I'm just so happy. It's, you know, fairly healthy looking. I have been using Sugar Bear hair, so now I'm gonna go wash it and I'm gonna style it, and I'm gonna be showing you guys all of the products that I use to style my hair to get it real nice and shiny and voluminous. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, moment of truth, my head feels so freaking light already, and I can't believe this is my head. It feels so much lighter. So now I'm going to style it, and I'm going to show you guys what I use. I use my Red Kid One United. This is like a heat protectant, leave-in conditioner, and detangling spray, amongst a bunch of other things. It's like a 10-in-1. I use that, and then I use the Kenra Silkening Gloss. Just put like, now I can only have to put like 1 pump of that. I always put this before I blow dry, and I feel like it helps my hair look a lot shinier. Probably the most important thing is my Hot Sexy Hair Prep Me cream. This is for blow drying your hair. It helps your hair dry faster, but it also leaves it really shiny, and I think I put a lot because I'm used to having a lot of hair now. So weird. So then I'm just gonna brush, part it how I usually part it. I'm gonna go put a shirt on because I feel like my towel's gonna fall any minute. I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm just going to lightly blow dry it, get it a little damp, and then I'm gonna go with my Revlon rounded blow drying brush to style it. Okay, now that it is damp, I'm gonna go in with some more heat protectant. This is another heat protectant by Sexy Hair. I always douse my hair in heat protectant. Super important. I think that's why my hair has remained healthy for the most part. And then I'm gonna go section by section with my little rounded Revlon brush thing. So I'm just gonna go section by section. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I'm just gonna do a little spritz of this silkening mist. It's like the perfect like finishing touch. And then I'm just gonna give my hair a little, and voila, this is my new hair. This is the new normal. I don't know how I feel yet, but it definitely looks a lot better. It feels a lot healthier than it was before the extensions. It's grown out, which I am over the moon about. It's like freaking long. Like this is all my hair grown out of my own head, and it's not sewed in. Alright guys, so you have really been with me through my whole hair journey, my whole hair transformation. For all my true subscribers out there, this is a big deal. You know, I haven't had my natural hair in a long ass time, so it feels really good. I am really happy with the way that it came out. I'm excited to have my natural hair grow out. I have been using Sugar Bear hair that has also been helping me grow my hair out. So yeah, I gotta go. I'm super late to pool league. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button because I have more videos coming for you. And I will catch you in the next one. Adios!